featuring the latest generation industry-leading Cherry MX Red switches for better control with quick and smooth triggering. Customizable per-key single-color backlighting. Slim profile for enhanced ergonomics. New generation iconic Alienware design. Anti-ghosting, Nkro rollover for greater in-game precision. Durable 5000 series aluminum construction for complete robustness and reliability. Integrated USB pass-through with volume keys. Cherry MX Red switches, white per-key backlighting, 5000 series aluminum construction, dedicated volume keys, integrated USB pass-through braided 2M cable. Capture the win. Take down the enemy with industry-leading Cherry MX Red switches. The linear switching characteristics give you better control, speedy response time and smooth triggering, allowing you to efficiently pick off adversaries one by one. Top reviews from the United States. Superb quality. I am not a gamer, just a professional writer with big Sasquatch hands. Keyboards seem very flimsy to me, much too light and easy to slide around, much too fragile, and lacking in durability. I tend to break them or get them to the point where keys fail and weird symptoms result. This keyboard is built like a brick outhouse and has great tactile response, perfect for a big guy who types thousands of words. It was probably designed to be beaten on by gamers but is perfect for anyone who wants a strong keyboard.